Nickname is Rainier. Born in September 7 with loving parents, Mrs. Remy Aguila and Mr. Amiel Aguila. Alfiros Justin Partosa, or commonly known as Austin, born in October 20, and he is the son of Mrs. Rosalinda P. Alfiros and Mr. Norwin D. Alfiros. Coming next, we have Siriaco Darren Chris Buding, commonly known as Bakuk, and he is accompanied by his loving parents, Mrs. Mayan Siriaco and Mr. Darwin Siriaco. Next, from Barangay Tagdapit, we have Galibot John Michael Pulig, also known as Pablo, and he is with his very proud and happy parents, Mr. Mercy Galibot and Mr. Marlon Galibot. Next, we have Paetan Jerry Zander Cantalera from Barangay Poblacion Sur, commonly known as Once by her friends. And this afternoon, he is with his loving parents, Madam Zinaida Cantalera Paetan and Mr. Joy A. Paetan. Next, we have Palanga Kurt Sinaki from Tugalina, known as Kepkep by his classmates. And this afternoon, he is with his very happy father, Sir Willie D. Palanga. Next, we have Roldan Pantico Daniel Bitek from Alfonso. Of course, proud parents, Madam Jonah Pantico and Sir Pilato Pantico. Next, we have Roldan Rainer Paculo from Tubalina. He is, of course, with his loving parents. Assistants. Next in line, we have Tukero Lindbergh Paetan from Poblacion Sur. And this afternoon, he will be parading forward with his proud parents, Mrs. Jonalyn Paetan and husband. Next, we have Tumbaga Hector Maog from Unulin, Gregorio del Pilar. Marching on the aisle with him is his proud parents, Mrs. Lani Tumbaga and Sir Hector Tumbaga. And thus, among our male candidates for graduation, we have Ventura Ronnie S. from Poblacion Norte, Gregorio del Pilar. And of course, with his very happy mother, they will be marching forward together. Let us also witness the entrance of our female candidates for graduation, starting with Asuncion Milet D. from Poblacion Norte, Gregorio del Pilar. Milet is being accompanied by her very loving mother. Next, we have Bago Alessandra Melchor his very proud parents, Madam Imelda Bayon and Sir Lito Bayon, from Poblacion Norte, Gregorio del Pilar. We also have from Barangay Dagdagpig, Denetila Mitch B. And this is Lord Power, being accompanied by her loving and supportive aunt, together with her very happy mother. Next, we have Doki Aprilline Joy B. or April. This afternoon, she will be marching forward with her parents, Ma'am Rowena Duque and Mr. Randy Duque from Butaka, Gregorio del Pilar. Hailing from Tangawan is our next candidate for graduation, Lagrimas Kimberly Aranas, or short, or Kim for short. Ma'am Doris Lagrimas and Sir Cecilio Lagrimas, her proud parents, are with her this afternoon. Next, we have Makilan Giabe D. or Jen Short. Gia is of course with her very supportive mother as always, Ma'am Lisa D. Makilan. We also have from Ololi, we have Ma'am Floricel Gamas. And she is accompanied by her very happy father, Sir Patricio Ma'am Jr. And marching forward, there is a beautiful lady from Ololi, Rhoda Glysacal Alas, together with her proud parents, Ma'am Lilibet Rodan and Sir Giovanni R. Pardo. And of course, we have Rodan Rain C. from Tubalina. And her mother, Madam Nancy Rodan, is of course with her this afternoon. Starting with the advisor of the graduating class, Madam Giselle Dapay Banao. The advisor of one of the sections of grade 10 of the completing class, Ma'am Charlene B. Baliban, grade 10 Bonifacio advisor. We also have our special science teacher 1, senior high school teacher, Ma'am Batingen Joylyn E. Senior high school teacher, Ma'am Annalyn D. Damasio. Junior high school math and mapping teacher, Ma'am Marites G. Dabuse. Senior high school teacher, Ma'am Lenny G. Kaya.
teacher, Mrs. Concepcion G. Takano. Junior high school teacher, a very able math teacher, Mr. Gijon M. Gade Jr. We also have our school administrators, starting with Ms. Joy G. Bangasa.
We also have another non-teaching personnel. Our Communication Operation Equipment Officer 3, Madam Imelda L. Bayo. And of course, our school head, together with our guest speaker, together with our SBN Committee on Education, they will be marching forward. Let us give them a round of applause. Top 2, Italy, Joy B. Duki. And top 3, Kurt Sinaki Malangag. For our completers, top 1, Rutel G. Galieta. Top 2, Lara Ventura Imbawan. And top 3, Carlene Avon T. Damlapen. Okay, congratulations and thank you for the incentives. We would like to call as well our top 3 completers who will receive 3,000, 2,000, and 1,000 pesos. This is a very, I don't know what kind of motivation is this, but still, this, I hope this will challenge you as well to perform on your studies. At the end, you will be receiving as well cash incentives. So thank you so much. And of course, from SBN, adalited na ako ang graduation incentives para kada graduates and effort incentives para kada teachers. Thank you